Here! Get out of here! God dang it! Watch out, there's a freaking hawk right there, birds! Come on, Belly, come on, Juju, hurry up! I found it! Belly, Juju, hurry up! Come on, Belly! Hurry up, I need your help! Come on, Belly! Come on, get them dogs! Get that bird right there! See that bird? Get that bird right there! Right there! Get that bird! See the birds running? The guineas, you're fire, guineas. Get out of here! Man, they're after your birds, homie. They're after your birds, Belly. Oh, y'all need a... Damn, Juju, you just scared all the babies. She's like, I gotta keep these fools on their chizzos. Ready for everything. We ready for... Whoa! Bird life. Baby! Attack from above, baby. Bird coming from above. They coming for my chickens. They coming for my chickens. Hey, what the hell, guys? You didn't see them damn... You didn't see that chicken hunt? And you got your bitches in the front row. Hide them girls. Better hide them. Don't be mean. Easy, guineas. Yeah, you see what the guineas are doing? They're swooing them towards the tree line. They're trying to anyway. Let's see if we got... Most of them are over here underneath this shed. Let's see if we got some in the woodlands. Yeah, here we go. Here's the smart ones. I seen them moving on out. The rooster let him know. Okay, I guess he's running this pack. That guy over there, he's running that pack. You can always see who's got more. You see how he moves them? You can see who's got more. They're all in the thorns. See who has more sorority by how many chickens he's protecting. He's got 4. This guy's got 2, 4, and a rooster that ain't identified yet. So I mean, he's protecting a whole family of birds. I mean, what y'all got popping over here? Man, y'all got y'all a whole damn cleaned out spot, huh? They didn't clean all this. You used to couldn't walk through any of this. It was nothing but thorns, and now you can almost see straight through it. So now the trash used to stop right here. That blows over from the streets. But now all this is clear, so it's like pushing back farther now. So I have to like go over there and pick up trash like every week. Sometimes twice a week. Look at that weird tree. Why is it growing like that? That's some wickedness. Look at that pecan tree. Whacked ass. Can't get no light. Then that thing's all like S-curved. We had a bunch of them that were doing like some kind of wiggle. It's done grown out. It's up there now. Them trees grow so quick. This one got attacked by some kind of bug. Eventually it will fall. sprayed it, but it looks like this stuff is going farther in. That's a lot of weight. Hopefully it builds around. Start spreading its weight out at different points. What is it, guys? What is it? Where is it at? I heard barking, then I heard my guineas run, so obviously there's a threat. These guys keep you on your toes. Man, these hawks are hungry, dude. They don't care about anything but eating them good eggs.